Hello everyone, welcome to Homeschooling with Hera. Today's class is about Jolly Phonics but for homeschoolers and parents. Today we shall learn about set 2 blending and segmenting and then reading and writing exercises. These are some homemade exercises. You can make it yourself, DIYs, and they are very effective. Before we move any further, subscribe to my channel, watch the video till the end so that you can get all the things which I'm telling you, and at the end, if you like the video, do hit the like button. Let's begin with the blending of set 2 sounds. The sounds are k, k, e, h, d. We need to make the words with these sounds, but as you can see, we have only one vowel a here, so it's a bit difficult to make so many words with these sounds. The one and the easiest we can make is red, like this. D, red, red. So to make more words with the set 2 consonants and vowel, we need to mix it with the set 1 cards. A, t, at, e, p, and n. So now these are the sounds of set 2 and these are the sounds of set 1. We can mix them and make as many words as possible, but they must be phonic, not any puzzle word, not any tricky word. Now you can give cards like this to the child and ask him to try to blend them. The first sound is then a and With the help of these dots, the child can understand by just looking at it that there are 3 sounds in the word. The first is a, Try to blend it. Ram. Ram. The word is ram. You can keep it here. The second word. How many sounds? He can see that there are 3 sounds in this. You need to tell him that when there are 2 k in a word, we just read them once. We will only read it once, not twice. It will be not like this. So let's try to read this. Neck. Neck. Faster. Neck. The word is neck. The third word is this. Let's try to read this. How many sounds? 4 sounds here. The first is s, and s. Blend it. S, and read it faster. S, and sand. Sand. The word is sand. So you can make 3-letter and 4-letter words with the help of set 1 and set 2 cards. Another activity which you can do with the same cards is this. The set 2 words and the set 1 words. You don't need to mention it to the kid, okay? The word is and. You can ask the child to make the same word like this with the help of these cards. So he will first find out where is, okay, it's here. A is also here. Sand. And sand. Same like this, it's sand. Another word could be neck. Okay, for neck, we need then a is here. A. K. Now can you read this? Ak. Remind him again, then when there are two k, we will read only one time and we will say this two-letter k. This is two-letter k. Ak, neck. The next step is segmenting. You can make these cards with paper, and for this you need a paper scissor for the kids. Okay, first you need to ask them, can you read this word? He will do dam. The word is dam. Now you may ask him that can you break it into its sounds? So this is the way how to hold the scissors. First sound is d. The second sound is a. And the third sound is The word was dam, and now we have broken it into its sounds. We have 3 sounds in dam. Another word is sand. Sand. Can you break it into its sound? The child will say yes, and then once you have shown him, now he will do it by himself. Now, this is to realize him that this word consists of different sounds, and when combined they make a word that is sand, and it consists of 4 different sounds, sand and dam. This is segmenting. For the third activity, you need to make a card like this on an A4 paper, and then you can laminate it, make it plastic coat. Okay? By doing this, the child can anytime read the word, and if it's plastic coated, you can give him the board markers and ask him to write the word here. Let's read cat, and then he can also write here cat. Read the word and then write it. You can take the screenshot now. This will be very helpful for the kid to read and write the sounds and the words, and he will be very fluent in it by practicing this again and again. So these were some DIY exercises for set 2 which you can easily make at home and can do with your child. I hope you have liked the video. If you have liked it, please hit the like button and turn on the bell notification so anytime when I upload the video, you will be notified. Thanks for watching. I shall see you soon with another video. Till then, bye-bye.